Hello Taurus, welcome back, it's Marcia here. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is going to be your weekly reading from the 22nd to the 28th of November. I hope you guys are all well. And please have in mind these readings are general. They may or may not resonate. This is not a specific reading or private reading, so it won't be for everyone. Just take what's for you and leave the rest. Let's see what's going to be your energies. You have Four of Swords, Princess of Wands in the reverse, Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords with the Death card, the Tower with Chariot, what else? Okay, you have too many cards. You have Prince of Cups with Nine of Wands. And one more. Okay, Seven of Wands with Ten of Swords. Okay, Taurus. Your overall energy is the Four of Cups. Okay, Taurus, for the next week, you're gonna definitely end up a cycle. I see you very discontent in a situation. I see you tired. There is a need for you to rest. It's been something something was going on, and wherever this is left you in a very stressful position. That's why I feel that you are very tired. But for the next week, you have how many? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 major arcanas here, and the message I'm getting, only with this message arcanas, I'm getting that something is gonna end and a new beginning will start. I'm also seeing that you at first you will not be very excited about it, but this is going to be very necessary for you, and you will find out why. You will find out that this was something very necessary. You're going to have clarity about this, and then you're going to start to be more excited about it. Okay, it's too many cards here, and your reading, it's a little bit confusing for me. And I'm also feeling this is how you're gonna feel for the next week. Very confused. I'm feeling that you're gonna have some problems with some people. It could be people from your family or from your work environment. In general, people who are around you. Somehow people that make part of your life. You know, people who are close to you, friends, family. You're gonna be a little bit defensive with them. I'm feeling like someone did something to you here. But I'm also seeing that this person will apologize for wherever they did. But I'm seeing that things will look bad. You're gonna have a shake-up. It's almost like the universe will destroy your tower, destroy whatever you've been dealing with. It was not stable, it was not strong enough for you to continue. It could be a relationship, a love relationship. For others of you, it's just, you know, family or friends. But something was wrong here. Someone did something wrong to you. It was causing you stress. This was a burden for you. And that's when the universe steps in and, you know, it's almost like the universe is going to end up something in your life very sudden and very brutal. You're going to feel very sad. But this is going to be the solution for your problem. Take it how it resonates. Whatever problem you are dealing with right now, for the next week, this is going to be resolved. In a brutal way, but it's necessary. And you're going to see why after. And also for this person, this was necessary also for this person or these people. If you are dealing with more than one person, I don't know if it's family, for example, but it's going to be also necessary for them. And someone will apologize you. I'm feeling like you don't really want to accept this apology, but I'm feeling like you will. Because I'm feeling like you are a good person and you don't want to carry this rage with you, you know. You just want to clear the air and move on. Because so with this reading, I'm feeling like basically you are fed up with a situation or the way you are living or the way you are, the way that you feel that you have to deal with people in a certain way. You are tired. It's almost like people, they keep doing mistakes and it's like you always have to repair their mistakes. You always have to take care of them, you know. And basically for the next week there is going to be an explosion, and it's going to be good for you and also for this person, because somehow this is going to change their attitude towards you. It's almost like you have to learn how to say no. You have to learn how to prioritize yourself, Taurus. I'm feeling, you know, people from this sign, they are very giving, they are very loving, you know, but sometimes you need to be more harsh and more rational, because it's like many times you end up with people who just know how to take advantage from you, and this is not good for you, and also the people, they need to learn how to deal with you, okay? Taurus, so you're gonna have some fights here, but there is a need for you to accept things how they are, in terms of, you know, if you feel that you have to explode, you have to explode, because this is the way. If you are fed up with this in a situation, just put it out. Don't keep this, whatever this is, for yourself, because I'm feeling like this is almost killing you. You always keep it for yourself, in order to don't hurt anyone, but it's enough. And I'm feeling like the universe will show you that for the next week. It's going to be complicated for you, but it will be necessary. Let's see what's the advice for you. You have competition. Perhaps this is someone who's been competing with you for a while and is getting on your nerves. You have no growth. It's like this situation doesn't take you anywhere. It's like you keep in a cycle where everything, it's just repeating and repeating, and you keep holding it, and you know, it hurts you. You have friend, bottom of the deck. This could be a friend, I don't know, family, friend. This is someone very close to you. And you're gonna do something very impulsive, but it's necessary, Taurus. If you have to explode for the next week, do explode, because it's gonna be good for you. And also for this person or these people. What else? You have go forward, like I said, just do it. Say what you have to say. I'm feeling like this is going to be a lesson for you and also for them. And your life will be better. You have again friend. Okay, definitely this is a friend of yours. I mean, a friend who pretends to be a friend. It's not really a friend. Bottom of the deck, you have solution. Like I said, you're going to have the solution. Because I'm feeling this is causing problems to your life, to your personal life. It's not just a competition that you have and you have to ignore, blah, blah, blah. It's more than that. It's causing you trouble. It's touching, you know, your feelings in a very deep way. and it's not making you any good. You are not growing. This is not, it's almost like you want to take a step ahead, and instead you are just going back. One step ahead and two steps back. It's, you know, something needs to be resolved here, Taurus. All right, this is what I've got for you. I hope you enjoy it and it helps. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate that, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.